Alright, let's start with the most crucial factor, your physical connection. The first step is to connect your computer to your router using an Ethernet cable. This simple change is a game changer. It ensures you're getting the maximum possible speed with no signal drops, providing the most stable and reliable internet experience. Now let's dive into your system settings. Go ahead and click the start button and type in Device Manager. Open the application, then scroll down and double-click Network Adapter. Locate your Ethernet adapter, right-click it and select Properties. From there, click on the Advanced tab. In this section, you'll find a series of options to fine-tune your connection for optimal performance. Please adjust your settings to match the ones on the screen. Next, we need to ensure your computer isn't throttling your network card to save power. While still in your adapter's properties window, navigate to the Power Management tab. Here you'll see a setting that allows the computer to turn off this device to save power. We need to uncheck that box. This simple action prevents any power-saving features from interfering with your stable internet connection. Click OK to apply the change. The final step involves a critical component of your internet connection, the DNS server. A faster DNS can improve your load times and overall browsing experience. Start by opening the control panel. Go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. On the left, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Ethernet adapter and select Properties. Now, look for Internet Protocol version 4, double-click it and manually enter the following DNS settings. Once you've entered these numbers, click OK on both windows to save your changes. And that's it. By following these 4 steps, you've optimized your Windows PC for a faster, more stable connection. If this video helped you get better performance, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.